Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here, and as you can see, it's Happy Easter Day, and I am setting up my tablescape for a couple of friends that are going to be coming over this evening and joining us for dinner. So come along with me as I set up my table, as I prepare it for my guests, and I am just excited at the colors that I've chosen. And I just want to tell you, I'm really glad that you're with us. So if this is something that you're interested in, seeing decor, tablescapes, a little bit of real estate, because that's what I do by profession, a little bit of inspiration and motivation for your home, then this is the place that you want to be. And I want to say thank you for taking the time to stop by. So if you like the content that you're going to be seeing today, please hit that like button and let me know. Also, if you've never visited this channel before, I want to just say thank you for stopping by. And guess what? Hit that subscribe button, because that will allow you the opportunity to be a part of what we're going to be doing on this channel. I really appreciate you being here today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. We're going to be so excited to have our friends over today and celebrate just having some good old-fashioned fun and some laughter. And so, happy Easter to you and your family. I hope you've had a great day. Now let's get to it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, of course, we got to make sure that it's clean and everything's ready and prepped to go. So I'm going to just take a moment to clean off the table, get it ready for all the decor that's going to be on there. And I got to make sure that it's clean for my guests. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing on this tablescape, this is a garland that I actually got from Hobby Lobby. It was about $15.99. Unfortunately, when I got this piece, they were not on sale, so I went ahead and I paid the price and bit the bullet for that one. But these are some stems that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And so I only had about 4 of them, but I decided to put them with the garland on this table just to give the centerpiece a little bit more volume and make it look more springy and festive. So I'm going to put 2 of those on each end and just kind of intertwine it with the garland just to kind of make it look a little bit more festive and more realistic. Okay, so here, once again, another Hobby Lobby find. This is a flocked bunny that I got from Hobby Lobby. I want to say it was $9.99, and they were doing the 40% off. So I paid about $5 or $6 for that one, and I thought they were just so cute. And then I got this one that has a little bit of a different stance, and I thought it was cute to kind of mix the 2 of them instead of doing 2 of the exact same. Now this little cutie, I love this one. I'm going to be honest, I was looking for more of those because that one was foam, as the other 2 are flocked, but they're ceramic on the inside. But this one was foam, and the little headband was so cute. I really thought it was adorable. I was really excited about that one. So now here are some candlesticks that I've had for a while. They are actual glass, and what I'm going to do is they're of different sizes. So I'm just going to utilize them on the tablescape. And as you can see, here's one that's a little bit different. And there's 4, and then the last 2 are very similar to each other. But I just decided it would be great to just put them on the table just to create some interest. And if you've been on this channel before, you know typically on my candlesticks, I actually use candles. Well, this time I decided to do something a little bit different and fun. And so here are some flocked eggs that I got in some really pretty colors. And I thought, what about if we utilize those on the candlesticks? And so I thought that it would just give some variation in height and some different interest to the table. And I thought it was really cute. Now, these are some oversized speckled eggs that I got from Walmart, and those were $1.98 each. And so I really thought they were pretty, just to add some color and bring in just some different interest to the table with the bunnies and things of that nature. So I just thought those were really cute. And you're going to get to see what I did with the other ones in just a little bit. So here are my Tablescapes placemats. And so I'm going to use those just to put her on the table right now as the base for the table setting. I've had these for a while, but I want to say I got them from a Hobby Lobby or either at home, but I've had them for quite a few years. Now here, we can find these everywhere. If you don't have chargers, you can go to Dollar Tree, you can go to At Home Goods. Of course, if you go there, they will be a little bit more, but I'm going to tell you a quick tip. Goodwill. You can find these every day at any Goodwill. So here is the place setting china that I'm going to be using for this tablescape. And it's got some really pretty flowers. It's gold and white, and I thought it would be a perfect accent to what I was going to be doing on this tablescape. Okay, so I'm going to be using the color teal. I thought this would be a really pretty accent with the gold and the white and the woven. And so I'm going to show you now how to fold a napkin. And as you can see, I folded it in half, and then I folded that in half. So here's the trick. You're going to take that corner and you're going to take it all the way to the end and make a triangle. The next triangle you make will actually be tucked. Can you see that? And it creates seams. And then the third one, you do the same thing, but you tuck it into the second one. Now what you're going to do is you're going to flip this over. And as you flip it over, you're simply going to just lay it flat, press it down to get some seams into it. And then you do the back side as well. And when I flip it over, you'll get to see it created a napkin place setting that allows you to be able to stick things in there. And as you're going to see shortly, I'm going to just put these down. I had already folded them already, but it's going to allow me to be able to take my silverware and put them into the napkin, which is a little bit of a different look. And I thought it was just really perfect for what I was going to be doing on this tablescape. This item is actually a garland that I got made of carrots from Walmart. And I thought it was really cute, but I decided I really didn't want to use it as a garland. So what I did was, because there were actually 8 on the garland and I have a place of 8 at my table, I decided I was going to utilize the carrots in a slightly different way. So what you're seeing me do here is I'm actually cutting the carrots apart from each other so that I can actually use them at the place setting. And I decided to leave that twine on there because I thought it was just really kind of cute. So I'm going to leave the twine on both sides hanging a little bit just to create a little bit of interest with the carrots. But I love the fact that the carrots are a really neutral color, and so I can use them whenever I choose to. They don't have to be so specific. So here we go. I'm actually going to take them and just sit them right on top of that napkin with the silverware on the inside. And I thought this was just a cute little tribute to those bunnies that are sitting on the table, and that there were some carrots there ready for them. So now I'm going to add in my glassware. Here are some more of those extra large eggs, and you're going to see what I'm going to do with those as well. So I decided to simply add them to the 6 side chairs that are at the table. So on one side, I did the beige, the green, and the beige. And on the other side, I did green, beige, and green, just to add a little bit of interest and to tie in to the whole tablescape. So of course, moving on to the buffet, I've got to get it a little cleaned up, got to get it ready, take care of all that dirt that's on there, and then we're going to be ready to style this buffet as well. First thing I'm going to do, my Old Faithful. I have used this for years, and I use it often around my house, and I figured, you know what, we're going to be having friends over for dinner. This would be the perfect time to say gather. So here is a jar, a vase that I'm going to be utilizing. I have these tulips. Got these. They are called Real Touch tulips, and they are from Amazon. I will link them down below. But oh my gosh, they're so realistic, and I am a lover of tulips. I've said it before. I'll say it again. That is the flower that steals my heart. And these are amazingly realistic, and they feel so good. And so I'm going to take them and stick them into this glass jar. I wasn't necessarily concerned with taking off the twine that had them all together, because as you're going to see here shortly, after I fluff them and get them ready, you won't really be able to see them. So I decided I kind of wanted to keep them together just to maintain them as long as possible. So the next thing, I'm going to add in these eggs, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99. I think was the price I paid after the 40% off. I think they may have been $5.99. But I'm going to take them and fill the bottom of the jar with these speckled eggs. And I thought that would be just another cute little touch to add into this jar, just to fill it up and make it festive for Easter. So I'm just going to take the time and put them around the jar. And then I'm just going to kind of fill it up as much as possible. These actually came with a set of 12, and I thought it was a perfect little touch. And I just love the way that it looked. So tell me, so far, did you like what you see? Because I am just really feeling this tablescape. I think it was just fun. It was cute. I love all the bunnies. And I'm so excited for my friends to come over and for us to just sit around and laugh and have a good time and enjoy some great food for dinner. So tell me, do you like it? If you do, hit that like button. So, my final piece. In one of my previous videos, I think my shopping haul, I mentioned that I was looking for a statement bunny. Well, I'm gonna be honest, it's not exactly what I was looking for, but it had so many of the elements that I was looking for. One being, I did not want anything that was breakable, and I wanted something that was of a larger size. And this is what I found. I found this one at Home Goods, and it was just perfect. So here's a view of the buffet. I love it. I think it's so cute and so adorable, and it's just the perfect amount of Easter. Oh, I'm so excited for my friends to come over and for my family and I to sit down and just enjoy celebrating Easter. So here's a view of that tablescape. Enjoy. Well, Lifestylers, I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by Lifestyle with Latasha. and being with me as I do my Easter tablescape. So as we are getting ready to entertain our guests for dinner, I want to say thank you. I hope that you and your family had an amazing Easter and that you were able to create some amazing memories. So once again, thank you for stopping by Lifestyle with Latasha. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and let me know that you're wanting to be a part of all that we have going on. And for the ones who already have, thank you. I really appreciate you. And for all the kind comments, it does me wonders. In the meantime, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy Easter.